Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. No idea what's in this box. It says it was sent by the shipping department. So we're going to find out what it is together. It's fairly heavy, so I imagine there's more than one thing in here. As per usual, if this or these are knives that you can buy right now, I'll link them right down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see what we've got. Open up the box. It's weird having done this so many times. I looked at my unboxing playlist the other day to see exactly how many unboxings I had done. It's freaking ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm still having fun with it. I'm just like, wow, that's a lot. So yeah, go look if you've ever been curious. Check out my unboxing playlist. What do we got? Did they send me some more? I wasn't expecting this. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, no way! Are you serious? No way! Oh, awesome. So this is from Sniper Bladeworks, because they know I'm going to give away the other... Guys, I have not done the giveaway on the other two, but I'm going to. Like, those two are going to be given away. So they're giving me this. That's amazing. You guys didn't have to do that. That's so nice. Yeah, so if you don't know, I've got two really nice knives from Sniper Bladeworks that I'm going to be giving away. I haven't done the reviews on them yet, but eventually I will be doing a giveaway, which I will announce on the channel, and there'll be a live stream, right, kind of alongside the, or not alongside, but how I do the other giveaways. But I did not expect them to just send me one. Dude, the DMF was my favorite of the two, so I am, very excited to check. Oh, sick, man. That's yes, that's so cool. Heck yeah. Oh man, got the black and the oh man, that's really cool. So let me get out these other two here and show you guys, even though you've seen this model, but this is why it's fun to do this. So I have this one here, and then here we go. The other DMF, so this was the LPC. These are made in Taiwan, by the way. You got the LCP here, which is a slightly smaller model. And this is the one I remember seeing on social media a while back. And this is a famous model. It's been around for a very long time. And then the other DMF that I have is actually OD and DLC. So the one, and these two are the ones that are going to be given away as soon as I'm finished with the reviews. But these are big, especially the DMF. These are hulking folding knives. Absolutely what I would consider to be overbuilt in the sense that the dimensions of everything are just really thick. But these are really cool, and I immediately fell in love with the bigger one because of the ergonomic lines. I like this kind of hunched over. It almost looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex of a pocket knife, but being able to choke up right behind the blade and having this really heavy slant down at the nose, it's just awesome. Oh man, I'm so excited. I remember thinking, like, I love that DMF, but I think they sent these with the intention of me, giving them away, which I'm more than happy to do. I love doing stuff like that. But I'm just flattered that you guys wanted to send one for me to keep. I mean, I'll absolutely keep this in my collection. In fact, I'll probably carry and use it. S35VN, we do have a lock bar insert right here. The action on these is really good. I'll give you guys an example here. Actually, we are falling shut completely. I don't think, if I remember correctly, I don't think you can. No, you actually can use that little indentation there. And if you're left-handed, you can use it to reverse flick. That's really cool, man. That's really nice. Really, really nice of the folks from Sniper Bladeworks. I'm going to make sure that their website's linked down below so you guys can check them out if you want. And the reviews on both of these guys are coming. I'll probably have mine in the video here with the DMF. I mean, we'll do size comparisons and things, but I'll have mine there to show it off as well in the video, or just show, you know, some contrasting the satin finish versus the DLC and the different colors of G10. I think the handle looks really cool. But yeah, those reviews are upcoming, and then after that, we'll do a giveaway. So you could actually end up winning one of these awesome knives. I don't know that there's really a whole lot more to say here. That's just really kind of the folks at Sniper Bladeworks. So very cool. Thank you very much. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.